We are Etergo, and we asked ourselves, what if an electric scooter was built by rocket and race car engineers? Well, this is what we have come up with. The Etergo Appscooter, and it's freaking awesome. Did you know scooters outsell cars by almost 2 times? It's a €67 billion market. Today, petrol scooters dominate the market. And since older petrol scooters pollute up to 2,700 times more than a van, they are being banned from major cities worldwide, with Amsterdam starting in 2018.
With over €70 million from thousands of investors, we have built a world-class team with more than 60 people from companies like BMW, Yamaha and Tesla. We just got our Appscooter pre-production series tested and road legal certified. With millions of petrol scooters that need to be replaced soon, our timing couldn't be better.
Our engineers built an unbelievable electric scooter with a range up to 240 kilometers. It can go from 0 to 45 in 3.9 seconds. To charge it, simply plug it in or take the battery inside.
Appscooter comes with a 7-inch touchscreen and handlebar controls. You can use it for navigation, to run apps, or remotely control your phone.
This way, you have 2 hands to brake.
Cutting out the middleman allows us to invest in high-quality service and awesome products. With our Etergo van, we deliver and service Appscooter at your door.
How does that work? Simply design and order your Appscooter on our website. Our first batch is sold out. And with thousands of customers on the wait list, people are banging on the doors to get one. Really want to have it, touch it, smell it, feel it? Pre-order customers and larger investors can now schedule test drives at our Amsterdam headquarters. We are proud of the product we've created, and we believe that with your help, we can make Etergo a worldwide success. Just look at that storage space. Large enough for this. Lightweight vehicles that are better in every way.